Good morning. Today we're in Austin, Texas. Leaving the hospital right now. Hospital that we had surgery in about 7 months ago. Just doing a checkup. Everything's looking good. Now we're going to Hamilton Pool and get some drone footage. I'm gonna take some pictures and we'll go from there. We made it. Hamilton Pool. We gotta figure out how much it is. It looks like it's $10.
No drones allowed. Yeah.
No drones.
That goes up on your dashboard.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Appreciate it.
All right, I gotta go through some rules with you.
Okay, all right. Rules. Gotta cut the camera. Everywhere we go is a no drone zone. But yes. So we're here at Hamilton Pool. We just got the bad news though. I do have the drone in the bag. We got the bad news that there's no drones at Hamilton Pool. So we're devastated on that one. But we're still gonna check it out since we're over here. There is a reserve that's about a mile away. So we're gonna go to that as well. And after this, we'll get some footage at Hamilton Pool and then we'll go down to the reserve. I think we made it to past this big colossal rock right here and this vine, and we see a stream. We're close. We're close. We're close. We're getting there. Hamilton Pool, Austin, Texas, doing it big in flip flops. Hiking. Don't ever hike in flip flops. Horrible. Did not plan it well. We can go down there. I think we made it. Made it to Hamilton Pool. So we made it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh man, that is beautiful. It looks way better in person. I've seen this place in pictures like 1,000 times, but I've never actually been here. And we actually live in Houston, which is just south of Austin. And we've never been here, but man, this place is crazy. Look at that. So now we're gonna walk up there, and we're gonna take some more pictures, and we're gonna take some more video, and maybe get some B-roll. Did y'all see that? Did y'all catch that dancing? I didn't even know she was doing that. You fit? Did you fit?
Barely.
You have to go get the camera. Oh, hold the camera tight. Oh. Oh. People probably thinking I'm dying back here. Just trying to squeeze my fat ass. Okay. Okay.
My mano.
We're good. We have arrived. Reamer's Milton River. We have arrived. We're here to the trail. We're gonna fly the drone. There's somebody coming. Shh. Shh. Let's fly the drone.
Reporting live from Milton something River here in Travis County. Me on the other hand, I'm chilling like a villain on this load. And that bien cool. Stay tuned.
Got some kayakers kayaking. I guess we're not the only ones off on a Tuesday. But it's been a good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the drone footage. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little Tuesday video, and we'll see you on the next one. Help me! Look at those ants. They eat my little pig toes. Pick up. But we'll see how it goes. I gotta stop saying that. I say that all the time. We'll see how it goes. It's my thing. I should name my YouTube channel that. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens.